Hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. This is Vincent from Wonders of London. Hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And today I am actually in Hampstead Heath in the northern area of London, and it is quite a fantastic place to visit. If you're into nature, you must definitely visit Hampstead Heath. And in fact, we're in the woodland area of Hampstead Heath, which is quite fantastic. And I thought I could take the opportunity to tell you guys and read a poem about one of the great gods of Greek mythology. And in fact, you can find this god all over London. There are statues of him, keystone heads of him, busts of him all over London, and it is quite fantastic. And he's connected to another old god called the Green Man. And in fact, when you put these two together, you've got so many different images of Pan and the Green Man all around London. So it is quite a brilliant thing. And in fact, Pan is the great god we're talking about today. And he has the hindquarters and legs and horns of a goat in the same manner of a fawn or a satyr. And he's quite a powerful being. He's the spirit of the wild, irrepressible life essence. He is the great god of tremendous power and the lord of fertility, wild nature, ecstatic music, wild goats, shepherds, flocks, and hunters. And he also bestows musical skill, and he's quite a great god of art as well. A lot of artists have been inspired by him. A lot of poets and writers and painters have created works based on the great god Pan, the ancient Greek god of the wild, who is considered to be one of the oldest gods in the Greek pantheon. And in fact, just to give you an idea of how many people he inspired, or rather how many important figures from literature and art that he inspired, we have a phenomenal poem written by Keats, who actually studied in London as well, and he was inspired by the great god Pan, and he wrote a hymn to Pan in his work Endymion. And this is John Keats' hymn to Pan from Endymion. O thou, whose great mighty palace roof doth hang from jagged trees and overshadoweth eternal whispers gloom, the birth, life and death of unseen flowers in heavy peacefulness, who loved to see hamadryads dress their ruffled locks where meeting hazels darken, and through whose whole solemn hours dost sit and hearken the dreary melody of the bedded reeds. In desolate places where dank moisture breeds the pipy hemlock to strange overgrowth, bethinking thee how melancholy loth thou wast to lose fair shrinks, do thou now by thy love's milky brow, by all the trembling mazes that she ran, hear us, great Pan. O thou, for whose soul-soothing quiet turtles passion their voices cooing mong myrtles, what time thou wanderest at eventide through sunny meadows that outskirt the side of thine inmost realms, O thou, to whom broad-leaved figs even now foredoom their ripened fruitage, yellow girted bees their golden honeycombs, our village lees their fairest blossomed beans and poppied corn, the chuckling linnet its 5 young unborn, to sing for thee low creeping strawberries, their summer coolness pent up butterflies, their freckled wings, yea, the fresh budding year, all its completions to be quickly near by every wind that nods the mountain pine, O forester divine. And that is just a little bit from the great poem the hymn to Pan by John Keats, the famous English poet who lived and studied in London, around the London Bridge area. And of course today we were in Hampstead Heath. I do hope you enjoyed that little section of poetry from John Keats, dedicated to the great god of the wild, the great god Pan. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, check out our other videos, hit the like button, subscribe if you want more videos of amazing London, and do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.